If you are using Windows as usual and you're already having a problem with it as always, especially with the storage, slowly you see it is increasing and getting full day by day. So you want to know the reason behind it, why it's going this way, and you're not sure this is your personal files or maybe system or maybe your games or whatever you're using in your PC. So you don't know how to decide what to do or what to delete. Even sometimes you need these files to be in your PC. So in this video, I'll show you how to analyze and see where the storage is going. So we start with Windows on setting of system, the storage. As you can see here, the system storage, giving you how much the capacity is categorized as installed application, others, videos, temporary files. If you click any of these, and you can see and details where exactly your space is going. I have about 1.88 in recycle bin. You can just click and delete that by one click here, remove files. And you can go even further, would go into the something called advanced storage settings on other devices. In case you have more than one driver or device, even external, you can click it from here and see where is it exactly going. So here you can even see more details are categorized by your videos, your temporary file, desktop, documents, pictures, and all that on details. Click videos, you can see where's the videos, and you can here view your videos. This is Windows, what is giving you on system, and how you can analyze and see, decide where to delete and what to keep. But if you don't want this one, you can go ahead and use something called TreeSize free. This application is free application. You can install it from Microsoft Store, or you can go to the website right here from Jam Softwares. You can download it from here too and install it in your device. Once you open it, you can see for the first step, maybe will not show you all these details. You can go to the scan and select directory. From here, you can select where exactly you want to analyze the space. Maybe you have more than one disk, maybe specific folder you want to see. So you can select the driver from here, folder you want to analyze. So I'm selecting a drive of C drive. Here will give me the space, will calculate for me how much is percentage is taken each folder from my disk. From this application, you can go ahead and right click and maybe delete it from here. But that is easy to do or safe to do if you're talking about your personal files. You can, as far as you know where exactly, how you know these files, what exactly, how you created, for what you created, and you decide to delete it, not related to your system. Anything related to your system, this application will not stop you from deleting that file. So be careful when you're deleting any file from here. Don't delete anything related to the system or the Windows, or maybe some application or some server. So always delete what exactly you know. That come to the personal files, you can delete it from here. But if talking about applications, the best way to delete application is by using something called Revo Uninstaller. This application is a good application that you can use to uninstall any application. All related files stored in your disk we deleted too. So you not have any leftovers files taking space in your disk in case, of course, you decide to completely delete this application and don't want any data from that application. So you can even decide to uninstall any application you installed from here, or you can even delete Windows applications from here. So we decide to delete the Copilot from here. Let's try that. Here, after deleting for you the application, this is a step which is very important, that with any related files to this application will be also selected and deleting these files. So they clean up all the files related to that application and will free up for you the space also is taken from that application. So this is the best way to do it. So you have this ways on Windows and you have this application, which is a great application to analyze the space is taking. So be careful always when you're deleting any files you don't know. Make sure you know what files you're deleting and what is you keep. So if you have any question about this, let me know in the comment below. We'll answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching again and see you in next one. Peace.